So, like, just looking at Uber alone, how much do you make in a week from like just Uber driving in a Tesla?
So Uber driving in a Tesla, if I hit it the way that I usually do on my strategies is 2,000. I get very close, but I've been averaging 2,000 every week, and I can't help it. It's the same thing over and over again. I do my strategies, and they always work. And if one week I don't do good, the week after or the week after that one, it's just I make so much more than 2,000, over 2,000 that it compensates for the losses. So it's been averaging 2,000 a week.
And how many hours would you be driving in that week?
All right. So when the market is when the market is good, I work about 60 hours. When the market is really bad, like now, I'm working over 80.
Oh, wow. In
Yeah,
1 week?
yeah, in a week.
That's
And
crazy.
that's not including running the website, editing the videos, um answering all the comments on YouTube, all the emails, um all the other stuff associated with the business. So like wake up 3 o'clock in the morning, I'm out on the road by 4 or 5. It gets very tiresome.
Oh, wow.
And
So
then
the 80 hours is like just Uber driving.
that's just Uber.
Wow.
It is the other, because I'm out till like 11. That's why I'm trying to do the other part of the channel, which is the hustle. It's like people like, oh, you're working too much. I was like, no, no, no. It's like you haven't seen the other part that I do, which is everything associated, because I can't stop. I can't edit the videos while I'm driving. I
Yeah.
can't record I try to, but it's truly impossible. I mean, the autopilot on the car is good, but it's not that good. So I do my best and then I have to stop. But then every time I stop, I'm not making any money. So I have
Mm.
to wake up early so I can finish at 5. And then from 5 to 11, I can work on everything else. And this is
Okay.
Monday to Friday, Monday to Sunday. It's a
Okay.
lot.